Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 15th, 2018, and we're down here in the hollow garden. We're going to be taking some of the potatoes out today, and one of the reasons why we put the grass around them and we pull up around our potato plants is because this potato here, you can see our stalk here, and it actually grew off the stalk. You can see where it's attached down here at. So it came off of this stalk here. And it's out, and it's actually reshooting out to grow a new potato plant. Now, the bad part is when your potatoes are exposed to the sun, it can cause them sunburn. And it'll give them a really bitter flavor, and you honestly should not eat the sunburnt part of a potato. You want to cut that off or just discard the whole potato if it's really bad. So you can see here, I'm pulling some of this back here, and you can see our red potatoes here. There's more down under here. So, I'm actually going to be taking these off here. More under here. This one here off here. There's actually more you can see here. There's more here. Now, I'm not disturbing the stalk because I don't want to do that. I'm just getting some of the potatoes on top off. And you want to lay your potatoes in an area where they can dry. I don't recommend, though, that you lay them out in the sun. You don't want them to sunburn, so don't lay them out in the sun. So they don't sunburn. There's another one up here. I'll show you in a moment here. Hold on. There's another one up here laying on top, and you can see it kind of did sunburn just a little bit there. So I'm taking this one here off. Now I don't want to disturb the stalks or damage them. Oops. There's a potato there a little bit. There we go. Fill this back in here. So, these potatoes over here, they didn't get done yet with the grass around them because our tractor went down. So we had to wait to get that fixed until we could mow the grass again and get it bagged. Now, our grass it's not chemically treated in any way. You don't want to use chemically treated grass in your lawn. We're putting the grass around them now. They're a little big. They should have been done a long time ago, but we couldn't do anything with the tractor being down. So we're putting it around now, and we're hoping that it still works for us. Because actually what happened with the ones out there, they grew quicker than what we could keep getting the grass around them, or they would have kept going up with more potatoes. These over here were planted later. We had gone back and gotten some more seed potatoes and did them up. So they're going to be a later crop for us. But we're really hoping that they do the same thing for us here, because we normally get them when they're a lot smaller. And I actually found this on one of the potato plants. This is when your potatoes actually bloom, they will produce a seed pod if they were pollinated. And this will actually have seeds in it where you can plant them and it will give you potatoes. Just wanted to show you that. So we took and we put grass in the rows here in between the potato plants because they're actually coming, the potatoes are actually in the rows now. And they're coming up to the top, which will make them sunburn, and we don't want that. So we put some more grass down in between the rows, our walkway, so that our potatoes don't get sunburnt. We did find some more that were on top that we took out. So when we do harvest this, I'll come back with another video, and I'll show you the harvest from it, and how we harvest them and how they grow more under the grass out in the rows. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.